This secondary's off a Polaris RS1, be the same as on a turbo. I think the XP Pros are the same. The thousands are slightly different, but all the principle is the same, whether, even on the Can-Ams. I've never done a Can-Am, but you know, they're going to trap the dirt and the dust the same. But like I say, everywhere in here is covered in dust and shit. But it gives you a chance to have a look at it. Just make sure there's no big dinks and divots or excessive wear or uneven wear. You know, I mean, it does look like it's got wear on it there, but that's just as they are. You know, marks off the belts. As long as, like say, if you've broke a belt before and you'll see all rubber marks on them, you want to get them off, have them nice and clean. But yeah, it's just about cleaning and inspecting it.